investors! Welcome back to Novice Investing Guide, the go-to place for all things finance. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable content. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of stock market investing. If you're a beginner looking to build wealth and secure your financial future, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
All right, let's kick things off by understanding the basics. What are stocks? Think of them as tiny ownership pieces of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, sharing in the company's success. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, that's what we're here to explore.
So why should you consider investing in stocks? Stocks have historically provided a higher return on investment compared to some other assets. They offer the potential for growth, and some even pay dividends. Plus, with careful research, you can choose companies aligned with your values and interests. Now, let's move on to the essential steps for beginners.
Now let's talk about how to actually get started. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account. I use Fidelity and Robinhood. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund your account and do some research. Research is key to making informed decisions. Keep an eye on financial news, study company financials, and look at historical stock charts. This information will help you make educated choices rather than relying on luck. You will need to conduct a due diligence investigation, which we will go into detail in another video. Remember, investing is about the long game.
Now let's talk about the golden rule of investing: diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries. This helps minimize risk and ensures you're not overly exposed to the performance of a single company. Before we conclude, let's discuss some common mistakes beginners make. Avoid emotional decision-making, don't chase hot trends blindly, and always have a clear investment strategy. Learning from mistakes is part of the journey, but understanding potential pitfalls can help you navigate the market more successfully.
And there you have it, future investors. A beginner's guide to diving into the exciting world of stock market investing. Remember, patience and consistent learning are key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with any questions you might have. Be on the lookout for our dividend versus growth stock video to hone your strategy.
If you're hungry for more financial wisdom, check out our other videos on personal finance, budgeting, and more. Make sure to comment on any questions you have or topics you would like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy investing, everyone!